Hello everybody, welcome back to another Bitcoin update. On this video I'm going to explain what's happening right now for the Bitcoin price. And guys, right now you can clearly see that we have an important breakout that happened before a couple of minutes, and you can see right now we're going to the downside. We broke out this actually ascending triangle, which as you know is very bullish pattern, and right now with that breakout of support, which has very strong support because we had retested for 2 times and we found big strength here, and we always rebound on this very strong support on this ascending triangle. Right now for the 3rd time we found weakness and we broke to the downside, so we flip to a very bearish trend. And probably guys, in the next 3 hours and 30 minutes, if we won't see any kind of buying pressure and push the price of the Bitcoin inside of this ascending triangle, then the trend will be actually become very bearish and gonna continue even to a lower price target, which I'm gonna show you in a very few. So guys, if you would like to know where we're gonna get on this short term, and of course in the mid long term, I'm gonna give you a deep analysis of what I believe is gonna happen on this current situation, you have to stay tuned until the end of the video. And before jump to more analysis, let's smash 100 likes on this video, because with this way supporting me so much, continue this journey with a very simple process. They like, they'll comment, share your friends. You actually help me so much push the video to more people via YouTube algorithm, which helped me a lot, and appreciate you for this help from the bottom of my heart. A big thank you to all of you guys. I'm Chris, uploading everyday crypto videos teaching you how to make smart trades on the crypto market and stack that money. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to do not miss any of my future trades. And let's jump straight guys to the 4-hour time frame to explain you right now what's happening. Guys, you can clearly see right now we're forming this beautifully ascending triangle, and guys, you can clearly understand that this ascending triangle are very bullish patterns, but sometimes there is a possibility and probability to see a broke down to the support. So with that being said, this kind of bullish pattern going in for invalidation and actually going to the opposite direction. So right now, if this in the 4-hour time frame, we wait around 3 hours and 30 minutes, and this kind of candle stay under this massive support area and not actually gonna see any move like impulsive move inside of this ascending triangle, then guys, the scenario will flip to very bearish scenario and probably gonna continue to even lower targets. And I'm gonna tell you my technical price target. I'm gonna tell you my targets when we're gonna jump here on the support and resistance, which every day we do that. So I'm gonna give you the technical price target in the case, just in the case we would actually had a breakout to the upside, because at the end of the day guys, these videos are very educational, has educational purposes, and that's why I would like to show you that if we had a breakout on this massive resistance area, we would have a technical price target at around exactly $17,554, which as you know it's still under the previous bottom of Bitcoin, which is the $70,600 area. And if you remember, I had told you from the technical side, and only as we are under this massive resistance area, which right now we were testing as a resistance because it was the previous bottom of the June, I remain from technical side, I repeat, very bearish. So you can clearly see that we would actually we would be able to get there and retest this massive resistance if we would have a breakout on this $70,969. And guys, you can clearly see also with your eyes that this was very strong resistance area too. We need actually to get there to surpass this massive resistance. We always had very big weakness to surpass this massive resistance area. That's why probably we dropped under and broke out this support area, because the buying pressure is weak guys at this current moment. Bitcoin lately guys, the last couple days, the last couple weeks, it has been so boring. It's consolidating over and over again at around the area of $60,830. So this is about what's happening in the short term guys. If we're gonna see if we're gonna see right now anytime soon any kind of pump to the upside, I'm preparing you that this pump, it won't last long, and this kind of pump afterwards in the mid long term gonna crash massively. Okay, I'm preparing you that in the Q1 2023 we're gonna have a ultimate crash to a new levels, to a new bottoms, and I'm expecting actually probably a recession, according to what Jeremy Powell speaks, what told us actually. He prepared us for the raw scenarios to the last capitulation that I'm talking to you, the last 2 months, guys, on my channel, which I still believe that there is a big probability to get there, to see one more crash for the world crypto market. But guys, as I told you, for the Bitcoin, the worst case scenario for at least for me is $12,000. Is $12,000. I don't have any anticipation to get under this $12,000, guys. $12,000 is the worst case scenario for me. I don't believe, and I don't believe that Bitcoin will drop under, and actually, let's say a number 10K. I don't believe that it can get to 10K, to be honest with you. So let's see what's going to happen here in the short term, guys. If this actually continue, we're gonna see this damn continuation to the price of the Bitcoin in a very short term. I'm expecting to get around to these levels. First, we need to come and retest this massive support area of $60,566, because this is very strong support area, and we're gonna break this one, we're gonna get instantly to retest this $60,277. Every time we're touching this line, guys, previously from the past experience, we always, and we're breaking and stay under it, we're getting almost instantly to under $60,000 area. So let's say for a number $15,800, and right now I'm gonna tell you why I believe that it's very possible to get there. Because guys, do not forget this rise wedge pattern, which is still information, it's still forming beautifully. It was very expected, this kind of move. You can go watch my previous videos. I had told you two moves instantly broke out of this massive support and get to the technical price target with instant drop, instant big leg down to the technical price tag, which is the $50,800. And I told you a second scenario, which I told you exactly the number of $60,572 to find big weakness, big strength here, and we actually gonna keep the price of the Bitcoin consolidating up on this area. But right now you can clearly see also here we have another big resistance which shows big weakness, the $16,900. Look how many times we tried to break out this massive resistance, guys, and always find big weakness. So that indicate me, at least for now, that we don't have power to push the price upwards, so the bears will win in this kind of battle, and we're gonna get to even downwards, as I believe. Okay, as the current situation of the market, probably in the 2-3 days gonna actually have some flip on the scenarios, but right now it seems that we're gonna get down to retest this $60,566. So guys, this is what I would like to tell you. I'm gonna show you some indicators, and I'm gonna close the video here, because also some indicators indicate as the next move. So let's see in the 4-hour time frame. I would like to show you the Bollinger Bands, because you can clearly see that Bollinger Band is still in squeeze. Okay, and every time this Bollinger Band indicator squeeze, we're waiting a big imminent move, which is we don't know the direction. It's a big move. Okay, it's either to the upside or even to the downside. So I'm still expecting this kind of move, guys. If we're gonna see a continuation to this dump, I believe we're gonna get a big imminent move to the downside. But if we're gonna see actually any flip and jump actually inside of this ascending triangle, then we're gonna probably analyze the scenario to see also a pump to the upside. But let's see how we're gonna deal here. It's very important, this candle, how it's gonna react on this current situation. And right now also I'm gonna give you the MACD indicator. I'm gonna close the video, because you're gonna see clearly that it's happening, the scenario that I told you. If you remember The last couple days I have been telling you, guys, we're going for a flip, and I gave you two scenarios. I told you the first scenario was actually the distance between orange line and blue line got bigger and bigger because we're gonna have here actually a huge cross, which actually could make this distance between orange line and blue line bigger. But I told you the second scenario, and you can go and confirm my words, and right now it's forming the second scenario, which here we actually gonna have a flip, I told you, which won't last many days. It's gonna last for a couple days, 2, 3, 4, 5 days, and then afterwards we're gonna have here a massive big bearish territory building in with a reflip. So we have here a reflip and another reflip subsequently. And this is how I believe this is gonna play out on this current situation. And it seems, guys, that right now in the next coming days we're gonna have another reflip. So the second scenario is going to be in a formation. So with that being said, guys, this is all that I would like to tell you today. Let me know down below if you have any kind of questions. Also, yesterday I showed you how you can actually trade very smartly. You can go and watch my yesterday's video to see in a very short time frame, let's say 30 minutes, 1 hour, 50 minutes, how to actually trade successfully, because lots of guys asking me how to do that. I show you how to do that, and this is all that I would like to tell you. Let me know your questions down below in the comment sections. I see you tomorrow, guys, with my fresh updates, especially on the Bitcoin price. Until then, your boy Chris out. Bye.